You've probably done research without even knowing it. When you compared two phones before buying one, that's research. When you asked friends which restaurant is better, that's research. When you tried to figure out why you keep forgetting what you studied, that's also research. You just didn't call it that. But research has shapes, different shapes for different questions. Let's walk through them, not to memorize, just to notice. Descriptive research is when you simply describe something. How many hours do students study? What's the most common answer? You're not changing anything, you're just observing, like looking at a crowd and noticing who's wearing what. Analytical research goes deeper. You take what already exists and ask why. Why do most students study at night? What patterns are hiding in the numbers? It's like looking at the same crowd and trying to understand why they chose those clothes. Applied research is about solving problems. How can students remember more? What actually works in real life? The goal isn't just to know, it's to fix something. Fundamental research doesn't care about fixing anything right now. It just wants to know. Why does memory work the way it does? What is attention made of? This is curiosity-driven. Pure, no deadline, just wonder. Then there's quantitative and qualitative. Quantitative loves numbers. How many, how much, what percentage? Qualitative loves words. How did it feel? What did they say? What was the experience like? Think of it this way. Quantitative tells you that 80% of students passed. Qualitative tells you why the 20% didn't. Conceptual research is about ideas. What is justice? What is learning? You're not measuring people, you're thinking through concepts. Empirical research is about evidence. You go out. You observe. You collect. You test. Every time you make a decision, you're doing a tiny version of one of these. When you compare products, that's analytical. When you ask for advice, that's qualitative. When you test something to see if it works, that's applied. You already think like a researcher. You just never had the names for it. Before you go, here's a question. Which type of research is focused on solving a practical problem? A, fundamental research. B, applied research. C, descriptive research. D, conceptual research. The answer is in the description. Check it after you think.